Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learning Digital. Here we learn digital world things, so subscribe this channel for more digital world videos. So friends, today we going to learn how to upload video on YouTube. So we are still on our customization page now. And you do not have a video yet. So you will click on upload a video to get started. I will click on that as well. And I have shared the test video that I will be using with you as well. So you can follow along. So we click on select video. And it will take us to our desktop. And you will be uploading this video from the desktop. So as you can see here, my test video is uploading right now. It shows process. It's right here. So what we will do now is we are going to customize that video. So what you have to enter is when you click on edit, it's as is draft now, it's not posted or anything. So we will name our video. It's required. I initially named a test video. So that's what it's gonna show up as initially. I want to rename it as Welcome to My Bakery. You can add a description of your video, whatever it is. I will just write, I will be sharing the basic ingredients for a cake. And then thumbnails, you can add those if you so wish that give viewers an overview over what your video is going to be about, what you will be showing, especially with a longer video. This absolutely helps. So you have that. You can select a playlist if wanted or needed. If you do have a playlist, if you don't yet, you can create one by clicking right here. And I could just do this. I would title this. Let's call it baking tips right here. And then you can make it visible for public or private, which again you want your channel to be public. I create my playlist. And then of course, I select that. And I select done. So it's going to be under baking tips, audience. This is very important. If you make your video visible for it's made for kids, YouTube will protect your video. You have to go through a whole bunch of other steps to get it posted. So we will say no, it is not made for kids. That's what you are going to set. So just say no, it's not made for kids. You can add tags and subtitles and more if you so wish when you click on pay. So pay promotion. Of course, we are not doing that since it costs money. If you have a budget to be able to do this, you can absolutely select that, but we are not doing this. I'm going to add a couple of tags. So again, so people can find my videos. So whatever tags you want to use, you can use your business's name, any other tags you wish, you can set the language right here. So in case somebody with a different language watches this video, you can do caption, closed captions if you so wish as well. You can add dates, locations, distribution. If anybody's sharing your video, you can add the category in this case. You can go through all of these what fits your business right here. I'm just going to leave it on people on blogs. Comments, you can also have this where you can actually pre-approve comments if you so wish. And then I would keep it on hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. You can hold all comments, you can disable or you can allow all comments. This depends on your personal preference whether you want to allow all comments or if you want to filter possibly inappropriate comments. This is up to you. I'll do it allow all comments. You can also show how many viewers liked or disliked your video. You should have that setting as well. Just leave it like that. And then you click on next. You can add an end screen and a card. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to click on Next Visibility. This is very important as well. You want your video to be public for everybody to see, everybody can view it. What you can also do is you can schedule your video. So if you, let's say you record in the middle of the night and you want to wait until a more appropriate time where you know more viewers will be online, you can actually make sure you can schedule it right here to where you like. Okay, I want to post this day at 10 o'clock because I know a lot of viewers are going to be available there. And then again, you don't have to do that. You can do if you do a video at a less appropriate time. I'd also ask your other kids in the video content guidance. Again, YouTube has the right to remove videos they deem inappropriate. So make sure whatever you post will not happen. Please customize your video. For post first video on your actual channel, I would highly suggest a video where you introduce yourself, introduce your business to your future audience. And all of that for this one, we are going to publish right now. So this is actually going to make this video published on my website. It also gives me a link here that I can share to other social media if I so wish. So if I have a Facebook account or a blogger account or Twitter, you can share that. And so your audience there knows you posted that video as well. I will close it right now. And as you can see here now, it's public. And there's no restrictions. This is when it was published. And my first video is actually live. And you can now go back to your channel. So let's go back to away from studio to your channel. And you will now be able to see your video on here as well. Here it is, your first video has officially been posted. So congratulations, you now know how to upload a video to your channel.